Okay, I have a bit of an issue here with my swimming pool pump. You can see the crack in the connection here. Let's open it here. If you switch it on, what is happening? So we need to fix it. I had this on previously. I'm going to show you what I did here. You can see here's I bent pieces of metal, 4 of them, and just put to use it, and it was also cracked, and then it can't go split. So then you take glue and you take some string, and then you reinforce this thing. I'm going to put this in there now, but I'll have to move this and move this whole thing, and then unscrew here, put this in here, and just put it back again. Okay, now you just unscrew then you put in this thing. Obviously just make sure it fits again, yeah. So obviously this is a different type here, and it's not the same thing, so I'll have to take them off and put them on here. Okay, this old one, you can see that it's different. I bought, this was a previous one, but now this one is bigger. So obviously I have to make a plan here. Let's just take all these things off here. I thought I would have to can use it again, but I'm gonna show you what to do here. If we go and we move, you see what's happening here. You just bent those little metal pieces, and then you go and you do like that, and then we put some string around here so it closes that part there. And then you see how strong it is when you use glue and a type of string that you use as reinforcing. So now we can glue. You obviously start now with the worst part here, with the nicest one. Keeps what I can do is to put on my glue gun. So maybe quicker, let's use my famous old tool. We just heat up some glue gun. We're gonna put it there. We're gonna hold this there. That's maybe not there. That is better. That is the right way around. there, and then we put another one, opposite side. Put that one there. Doesn't help you glue here, that's not strong enough. You need vicious. Not too hasty now anyway. I'll just go slowly. And you go here. I'm going to do it like this. So you see the one bend is a little bit shallower than the other one, just to take the form of the curve here. Take this one. You can add this one here. Okay, now this thing is ready for the string. And now you take some any type of string, but you can use a nylon type, will be stronger. Then you take your glue, you hold it, and then you just have to start the thing slowly. There you go, and you start this thing and you go like this. Put some tension on it. Okay, now you can go and see, now the thing is secure. Now you go and you put some nice glue on here. So now this holds the string holds the metal. Put this in here, those will run away. And you can put lots of string here. So this is the reinforcing that we're talking about. It must just keep that metal parts in place. Okay, I think that is maybe enough. And then you can go and put some more glue on here. Then you just rub it in. So now when this gets dry, it holds that thing nicely. So as long as this thing stays in place. And you can also go and you maybe put some sort of just get some of those clamps that can show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I must say I never used these things before. I had this for a very long time. I think it's the perfect. Look here what I've got here. It's like a piece of. You can make your own clamp here. You just cut a piece of here, make it long enough. Then you have one of these things. This is how you use it. Look how nice this thing works. it goes, and then you goes back and it hooks inside there. Then you can go and you can then screw this thing in. This is a very nice concept, this. I like this. Then you can go and you now this clamp will keep this thing here that it doesn't go out anyway. That's it. Nice and secure. This is a very nice stuff, this. And when you finish, you just go and you clamp it again for later use. Okay, let's go install it. Okay, install this new thing, this modified thing. You must just put it back the same depth so that it can line up here. Okay, I'm going to put it back now. Okay, now you can see it's running and it's no leakage. Well, that works nicely. Okay, this is a way to fix your swimming pool when it's a leaking one of these joints of a cracked ring. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, cheers.